Good afternoon, my dear respected students. Today, one of the important topics we are supposed to discuss that how our practical is supposed to be imposed. And here it is on the screen. We are talking about the practical question paper of computer science. 083 is your subject code and AISSCE. What is the full form of AISSCE? The full form of AISSCE is All India Senior School Certificate Examination. अगर आप एक बार दोबारा बोल दें मेरे साथ तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. A for I for India, S for senior, again S for school, S for school again, and C for certificate, and E for examination. This is otherwise it is not related with the subject, but common sense is also required. Okay, so I'm just going to give a demonstration on the practical examination of computer science 083. For the same, I am just going to open the question paper. My dear respected students, you all know that theory portion is of how many marks? 70. And practical will be of 30 marks. Now, the distribution and the types of question which is required in your question paper, kindly concentrate. My dear respected student, here it is. I have not mentioned the duration due to some or other reasons. I have not mentioned here because the session is recorded. In such case, I am not going to give any kind of information which is not authentic. Otherwise, the timing will be 3 hours, but I am not going to mention here. After that, here it is. Total marks will be 30. My dear respected student, as per the guidelines of CBSE, they have mentioned that there is 2 different questions in your practical examinations, where first question is of 7 marks. मेरे बेटा एक बार repeat कर दीजिए. First question is of 7 marks. Now, on the screen, you are saying that, sir, first question is not of 7 marks. First part is of 4 and second part is of 3 marks. 4 plus 3, that should be 7. My dear respected students, CBSE says that this first question comes from a unit number 1. Unit number 1, which includes functions, which includes file handling, which contain text, binary, and CSV, which contains the data structure where we talk about a list, where we talk about a stacks. Queues are not there, I think so. So here it is. In our demonstration, I have just including 2 different questions here. One is related with a list, I think so. And second is supposed to be related with a which file? Text file. Kindly concentrate. What will be the question? I am also going to give a demonstration on the basis of practical that how we are going to attempt this question. First of all, it says write a function, and my dear respected student, the name of the function is L-shaped, and here it is 2 different types of arguments, ARR, and next one will be the N. In next phase, they are mentioning in Python, which accept a list ARR of numbers, and N is a numeric value by which all elements of the list are shifted to the left. जितनी भी आप n की वैल्यू देंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग टू क्या होगा, वो वैल्यूज को शिफ्ट करेगा. ओके, नाउ काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. Here it is a sample input data of the list. If we having a values 10, 20, 30, 40, 12, and 11, and if the value for n is equal to 2, so what happened? Here it is on the first and second location, we having a value that is a 10 and 20. मेरे बेटों को मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? वो क्या है values हमारे पास? 10 and 20. What happened here? They display the output as 30, 40, 12, 11, and after that they are going to display the values that will be 10 and 20. मेरे बच्चों की आवाज नहीं आई, बाद में क्या डिस्प्ले करेगा, कौन सी वैल्यूज, 10 एंड 20। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ओपन अ प्रोग्राम हियर. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. This is a desired program which is supposed to be mentioned in your answer sheet, but this is not only the answer of this question. It's my humble request. This is one of the answer of this question, but this is not the only one which is considered as an answer, because it's up to you and on the basis of your logic. First and important thing. Now, what I am going to do is, I am just going to discuss this program with you all, and I just need your help. Can you please tell me that do we have any kind of resources by which we can check the working of that particular program? आवाज आए, कुछ था ऐसे? क्या था? या था PYTHON. पढ़ के देखिए क्या लिखा हुआ है, Python tutor. मैंने इसको ओपन किया. I'm just going to open this and clicking on start visualizing your code now, and here it is. What I am going to do, I am just going to paste this particular in this window and click on a option which is to be called as a visualize execution. Kindly concentrate. और अब मुझे किसी को शांति से बैठने देना नहीं है यहाँ पे. कृपया करके ध्यान को एकाग्रचित कीजिएगा. My dear respected students, what we are going to do here, I am just going now. This red arrow representing that this is the execution point of your program. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. और आपकी आवाज आएगी तो मुझे समझ आ जाएगा कि आप कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं. अगर आवाज नहीं आएगी तो इसका मतलब आप कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे. I'm just going to click on the next portion, and now it says that it moves towards a list, a list which contain a values. And it's my humble request, if you are focusing on the content in spite of writing. Why so? Why we are saying this thing? Because this recorded session is supposed to be discussed and shared with you along with the content. Along with the content means the paper as well, along with the answer key also. Here it is. I'm going to again click on the next. Now what happened? Here they having a is a list. How many number of elements will be there in a list? मेरे को आवाज आए? 5. Okay, and here it is. They also mention the index number, and index begins from 1 or 0? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good, great. मैं सिर्फ एक iteration करूंगा. I am just going to discuss only one iteration, and you all are requested to concentrate. Now what happened? I am going to click on a next here, and automatically A and 2 is supposed to be passed here as a argument which stores in a ARR and a N. Now kindly concentrate. Here it is ARR, which refers to a list, that is A, and here it is N, which refers to a value that should be called as a 2. मेरी बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई. Now what happened, my dear respected student? I am just going to click on the next again. Now what happened? Here it is a variable which is to be called as, आवाज आए, कौन सा variable है? L. और L के अंदर क्या store हो गया? What is going to be stored in a L? 5. Length of a list. Length of a list, that should be 5. Okay, great. Now I'm just going to click on a next again, my dear respected students. Here it is a loop, that is a for loop, which says x in range 0, n. My dear respected student, 0 is a value. What is the value of n? Can you just tell me? 2. It means it begins from a 0 and it moves till 2. Till 2 or 1? 1. Very good. Great. Okay. When it begins, x is equal to 0. Now what they are going to do here, I'm going to click on a next again. It says y is equal to array of 0. मेरा बेटा array of 0 index पे कौन सी value store है? Kindly tell me. 12. Very good. And this value is supposed to be stored in a variable. Variable is y. Y के अंदर store हो गया. कहता okay. Kindly concentrate. Now it again moves to a loop. वो loop के अंदर आया. अब क्या है? I begins from a 0. I start कहाँ से हुआ बच्चों? 0. और चले कहां तक जाएगा, L-1। यार L क्या है पहले ये तो बता दो। वेरी गुड, L इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू इज 5, 5 - 1 इज 4। क्या ये 0 से 4 तक चलेगा या फिर, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट, here it is, I'm going to click again on next here, and what happened here, here it is, जैसे ही कवलजीत सर ने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, अब हुआ क्या, प्लीज इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट। इसने किया क्या, एरे i+1, मेरे बच्चों i की वैल्यू क्या थी 0, 0 + 1 क्या हुआ 1, 1 पे क्या पड़ा हुआ था पहले 30, 1 पे क्या पड़ा हुआ था 34। अब 1 कहां पे पास हो गया, चेक करिए कहां पे पास हो गया, एरे आई, एरे आई का मतलब आई की वैल्यू क्या है 0। अब आपके 0 और 1 इंडेक्स पे वैल्यू आ गई, कौन सी वैल्यू 34, और आपको 12 किसके अंदर चला गया, y किसके अंदर गया, y। अब क्या हुआ, what happened here, kindly concentrate, I'm just going to click here again, मैंने यहां पे क्लिक कर दिया, प्लीज इधर देखिएगा। अब यहां क्या हुआ, here it is, the increment is happened, now the value of i is to be considered as a, मेरे को आवाज नहीं आई, 1, i की वैल्यू क्या होगी बेटा 1। अब क्या हुआ, 1 + 1 कितना हुआ मेरे बच्चों 2, और 2 के अंदर क्या स्टोर है, थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दीजिए 56। अब ये 56 किसके अंदर जाएगा 1, किसके अंदर जाएगा 1। मेरे बच्चों कवलजीत सर ने क्लिक किया यहाँ पे, और जैसे ही देखा ये 56 कहां पे चला गया, ऑन द लोकेशन दैट इज 1। मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई। अब मैंने दोबारा नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक किया, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट। अब क्या हुआ, आई की वैल्यू मुझे बताइए क्या है 2। अब यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ i+1, 2 + 1 कितना हो गया 3, 3 पे कौन सी वैल्यू है 78, वो 78 कहां चली जाएगी 2 के पास। कवलजीत सर ने जैसे ही क्लिक किया चला गया। अब फिर दोबारा लूप चला, अब i की वैल्यू क्या हो गई बच्चों 3, 3 + 1 4, 4 पे है क्या 90, 90 कहां पे जाएगा, लोकेशन कौन सी 3। मैंने जैसे ही क्लिक किया, प्लीज यहां देखिएगा, अब कवलजीत सर ने जैसे ही क्लिक किया चला गया, हो गया, इट्स डन। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट हियर, मैं यहाँ पे जब नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करूंगा, मैंने शायद यहाँ पे हमने इसको बंद कर दिया था, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम। अब कवलजीत सर ने जैसे इसको क्लिक किया, अब आपने क्या किया इधर देखिएगा, अब जैसे ही लूप टर्मिनेट हुआ उसने y की वैल्यू L-1 पे डाल दी। L-1 क्या था यार, समझ नहीं आ रहा, L = आवाज नहीं आई 5, 5 - 1 क्या हुआ 4, इसका मतलब 4 पे y की वैल्यू चली गई, y के अंदर क्या था 12। मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ, मेरे को आवाज नहीं आई, यस और नो, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। इसका मतलब है कि इस रिसोर्स से हमें वो कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आया जो हम शायद पाइथन से लाइन बाय लाइन हम चेक करने में हमें डिफिकल्टी होती है, हमारा काम क्लियर हो गया। प्लीज काइंडली कंसंट्रेट, मैं बार बार ये रिपीट इसलिए कर रहा हूं क्योंकि मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है आपको दिखाना और आप देखेंगे उस चीज को। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस, my work is, my question number 1, part number 1 is going to be done. Now I am again moving towards a question paper. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate. Write a function am_count in Python which should read each character of a text file, and here it is, the name of the text file, my dear respected students, is story.txt. Very good. And should count and display the occurrence of alphabets, that is A and M. And there is one more constraint here, that it says including small case a and M2. Now here it is. The data is also given here, but in case of a theory paper, you are not supposed to write any function for writing that data. मेरी बात समझ आ गई, आप थ्योरी पेपर में राइटिंग के लिए कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं लिखेंगे, सिर्फ इसको अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए लिखेंगे। Now what happened, what is going to be attempt here, I am just going to mention, मैं जाना चाहता हूं import OS कर दिया मैंने, और मैंने यहां लिखा print os.get current working directory। मैंने जैसे ही एंटर हिट किया, कवलजीत सर यहां तक पहुंच के और कंवलजीत सर ने क्या किया, what I am going to do here is I am just going to open that, copy and paste here, hit the enter key and type here st. Again I am just going to type here story, story. Okay, hopefully I just get this data. मेरे पास ये डाटा अवेलेबल हो गया. अब मेरा काम क्या है, फर्स्ट वर्किंग व्हेन वी आर अटेम्प्टिंग अ प्रैक्टिकल, वी आर सपोज टू राइट अ प्रोग्राम व्हिच इनपुट दैट डाटा. मेरे बच्चों, I am not going to write directly that how we are going to read. First of all, we write a program for writing this data, then only we are going to read the content. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. Now, kindly concentrate. There is a very short program here. I'm just going to open a program here. Kindly concentrate, hopefully. It says this program is a very, very, very easy one, and it says f is equal to open story.txt, which is the name of the file, and in which mode we are writing, in which mode we are opening that file. W. W stands for R for A for append. Very good. And with the help of a write function, we are going to write that particular data within a file that is a story.txt. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? Yes or no? Yes. मेरे को नहीं आवाज आई? Yes, sir. Very good. अब हमने क्या किया? I am just going to close this. Now, second step, that how we are going to read the content. In such case, practical question paper मेरे को लगता है 3. And this will be the desired program which is supposed to be used for reading the content. The program is very much easy. Story.txt are representing which mode? Read mode. And after that, A and M is a variable which is used to count the occurrences of that particular A and M. After that, we can read the data. With the help of loop, we can check whether there is A or M is there, which is going to be perform the increment in the variable A and M, and then they display the data. Can you please allow me to run this program for once? Okay, I'm just going to press the F5, and whenever we are going to press the F5, it says A or A is 5 and M or M is equal to 2. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Very good. I'm just going to minimize this program and close this one. Now kindly concentrate. Next program, here it is 4 plus 3 is 7. Now it says second question is always there from, as per the CBSE direction, they says the second question is always comes from a MySQL interface with the Python, where you are supposed to send a query from Python to MySQL for performing anything in the database. So what we are going to do here, kindly, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. Write a Python code to create a table named as student. It's my humble request, kindly concentrate. After that, note, I have mentioned the data which is required and which is not there in a program otherwise. So I have mentioned host, root, password in because we are talking about our school. In such case, the password will be SSDPS and the database will be S_data. Okay, it's fine. Now there is the different fields. These are the 4 different fields, and we can also insert this particular data within a database. ठीक है, हो गया? That how we are going to happen. Kindly concentrate. First of all, my dear respected students, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to open the MySQL interface, and in such case, what we are going to say that we are supposed to create database, or otherwise you can also create the same with the help of a Python, and we can create N8 and hit the enter key. Database is created. Database is created. Now what happened, my dear respected students? I'm just going to open a program, practical question paper. Here it is. I think so. That will be second. And I have mentioned here N8. Mentioned here N8. The rest will be the same because this password I am working on my laptop. That's why I am just mentioning this password. Otherwise, on our computer labs, we have to mention the password, that is SSDPS. Cursor is used to create the interface between Python and MySQL. And after that, what we have mentioned, create a table T underscore D1 with these specification or a fields. And then we are supposed to insert that data and commit. Commit means we are supposed to write that data within a table. Otherwise, if we are not using a commit, in such case, they are not going to write the data. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? मैंने N8 लिया और उसमें मैंने ये प्रोग्राम जैसे ही रन किया. Kindly allow me to run this program. I have just run this program and I am expecting the 3 arrows. I'm just expecting the 3 arrows, and we get that desired arrows which we are expecting for. And now what we are going to do, my dear respected students, we have checked that use N8, which is the name of the database, DESC T underscore D1. It means this is the table which we have created with a Python. And then we have to mention select star from T underscore D1, which says, yes, perfectly we have entered that data. And if question asked, display the data as well, so you can write the query as desired. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ यहां तक आ गई. अब एक और जो मुझे किसी बच्चे ने पूछा, kindly concentrate. Next part says that here it is 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. It means 12 marks is there. Question number 1 and 2. Rest will be 18, I think so. Rest will be 18 out of 30. Now what we are going to do here, kindly concentrate. This is a report file. Sir, what do you understand by a report file? My dear respected students, report says whatever we have done, whether it belongs to a MySQL, whether it belongs to an interface of Python with MySQL, whether it belongs only the Python, whatever we have done practically is considered as a part of report file, and it contains the marks that will be 7. After that, project file is of 8 marks, and the viva which teacher is supposed to be asked, that is of how many marks? 3 marks. It means this is the distribution of 30 marks of your practical. Hope, my dear respected students, that the content is clear and easy to understand. Even if you have any query regarding the same, you can discuss with your teacher anytime. Thank you very much.